Hello everyone, I am Shelby. Welcome to my channel, Shimmer, and today I thought I would show you how I drawed this eye digitally, which I used a mop brush to make it look sketchy. I did this in all gray and a little bit of white, which I just blocked in all my shadowing first, and then I went in with the different shades and smoothed it all out and used the airbrush. And my hatching, I did several different colors as well of the gray. And I know this video is kind of short, but I just want to show you guys this fun little thing. I am still alive. I got really sick for almost 2 weeks with a type of COVID, but it wasn't like the one that'll drastically hurt you or anything, but it was just like a small head cold with a fever. But anywho, I'm just simply blocking in everything, doing the different shades like I said, and I'm adding depth with this texture and this blocking, as you can see, which this is super simple and easy. So if you guys wanted to try it or do this, you can. And it's real simple. You can actually follow along my steps and stuff with me, of course. Now, this does not show you how much time I put into trying to figure out the texture and the different sizes of the brush and the different shadings. So I was kind of like playing around and tweaking with it as I went, which only shows the parts where it's like paused, so that kind of sucks with it. But as you can see, but we're going on to the lips, and with the lips I did the exact same. I did the outline, I tweaked it a bit. The texture on it was, I tried my best with the texture. I didn't like it, so I ended up just blocking in the shadows and just doing the highlights and smoothing it out, which I did a little bit of the texture but not enough of it to make it look all crazy and weird like I wanted to. But I liked how both of these came out. My favorite is the eye, but I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!